Some of my favourite apps on iPad, Keynote, Numbers and Pages, have just had a big update which really helps with image editing, because we can now edit any photograph or image in those apps directly in Pixelmator Pro on the iPad. All you're going to do is select the photo you want to edit and then press the Format Paintbrush tool at the top. This works the same across Keynote, Numbers and Pages, but I'll show you it working in Keynote for now. Then, on that Format brush, you're going to go into Image Options and there's the option to edit in Pixelmator Pro. When you do that, the app will open straight away for you and that image will appear in Pixelmator, and then you can use all of those powerful image editing tools straight away on the iPad. I'll use the cleanup tool here to get rid of Pudding's AirTag on his collar, and perhaps we'll add a colour filter as well to make it look a bit different. Then we can simply tap Send to Keynote, or Send to Numbers, or Send to Pages, and that image will go straight back to the app you started with those edits applied. Then you can carry on working on that document, but now you've got the image exactly the way you want it. And if you found this tip useful, I think you're going to really enjoy this one next.